Thanks so much for tuning in. Today I have August daily goodie box, and I don't even know what's in here, so this is a total surprise to me as well. Alrighty, lots of awesome goodies, so let's talk about them. The first one I see here is KETO Taffy, which I assume, yeah, it's from Zolly, so definitely will love these because I love the Zolly Pops for the kids. Let's see, the next one is Jana Banana, paleo, vegan, non-GMO, gluten-free, the original banana bar with coconut, no sugar added. There's a lot on here. That one's interesting. Crunchers Simply Sea Salt Crunchy Mung Beans Sprouted Super Snack. I'm sure these are going to be delicious as well. Oh, and another Jana Banana bar with coconut. Tipson Liver Cleanse. I haven't got through my last box, but I love this. It tastes pretty good. I do mix it with sugar a little bit though. BWC Beauty Without Cruelty Facial Cleanser. 3% AHA Complex. Benefits normal to oily skin. Premium aromatherapy. Suitable for vegans and vegetarians. Paraben-free, pH balanced, soap-free. Pretty awesome. I'm assuming that's -417, or maybe it's just 417. The brand, it's Absolute Mud Antioxidant Rich Mud Butter Body, Hand, Foot, and it is vegan. That's pretty cool. And then something wrapped here in bubble wrap. Let's see. Ooh, I love it. Oh yeah, I know that symbol. So I'm sure it's gonna be something good. Trilogia. I can never say that word. Daily Immunity. Terpenes, liposomal vitamin C with terpenes, ginger, and antioxidants. Interesting. And I love the bag that it came in. That's really awesome. And then let's see, what do we have here? We have Herbal Zap. And this is immune support, digestive support, and hearty detox, which I've tried these before. These are pretty nice. Some little pamphlets. So this is for the -417 coupon code. Ooh, this is for a free bag of Zolly candy, and this is for the Crunchers. And it gives a lot of information and different ones, so that is really awesome. And that was everything in my box. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed my video, please give me a big thumbs up. And if you were interested in any of the products that I showed, please check the description box for all of the links. And thank you to Daily Goodie Box and all of the brands here in this month's box for gifting me these products. Y'all have a great day.